just finished washing the M4. We got some information for you guys today, but we also got some carbon fiber that's going on the car somewhere in this area here. If you guys are familiar with the videos, you would hear me say it all the time where I got my carbon fiber pieces from. I'm gonna say it's probably the best place, in my opinion, to get your carbon fiber for your BMW. The M4 in particular, obviously that's what I got. I don't know if you're gonna find a better price with the quality. As you can see, we just put the new lip on. I don't know if you guys seen the old lip, but it wasn't looking good. The quality is there. You see it. We got the side skirts over here. Coming around back, we got the CS spoiler. See the quality. Got the 4-piece diffuser. And then we have what's going on today, which I'll show you guys in a second. I do have videos on all of the installs if you guys are interested, if you need any help with that. The link is down below in the description. SenCal Motorsport, use the code LouieXIII. You're gonna get some money off your order. I don't know of a better place that you could go. They got steering wheels, they got G80 options, F80 options, E90 options. Go check them out. With all that being said, let's go check out what we're gonna be putting on there today. You see we got these as well we're gonna be putting on, but we're not gonna be doing those today. We gotta get rid of those. Those will be going on soon. Today what we got, you know, at first I wasn't too sure if I was gonna do this, but I think it looks pretty good, so I'm gonna go ahead and do it. You see these go right here, and I think it's gonna be perfect. Right here I think it's just too much carbon because you got this. It's like there's no separation, it just goes right into the carbon on this piece. But you see we got some separation here from the carbon lip to this piece. So we're gonna put these on. It's gonna be super simple. I'm gonna show you guys how to do it, and I think it's gonna look pretty sick. I just gotta go get some 3M for these, and we're gonna get right into the installation. So this is where it's gonna go. It's not gonna be super flush right here in the corner. It does have a little slight gap, but nothing crazy, and that's pretty much how it's gonna sit. So this part is where I'll put the double-sided tape, and then I'll probably put 2 pieces right here. So I'm going to clean these parts with alcohol. I'm not gonna put alcohol on the paint, but I am going to clean that. I did wash the car obviously already, but I'm gonna clean it again because there's still some bug marks. I believe all of this touches, so I'm just gonna run probably 2 pieces right here. All right, so this is what I got. I think that's gonna be pretty good. By the way, all the stuff that I use is linked down below in the description. This is just a waterless wash spray that I use. And luckily, this isn't going straight onto the paint. I do have PPF on here, so that is good because I wouldn't want to put this double-sided tape on the fresh paint. You know, I would be a little cringe about doing that, but luckily we got some PPF that it'll be going on. All right, all good. Let's get these things on there. That's gonna be the last time you see it like that. Now for the hard part. Taking the red part off of this double-sided tape. This always takes the longest.
The next morning.
See how that looks. Okay. All right, yeah. I like that. All right, one side is on. What do y'all think? I like that. Hold up, let me get the other camera. All right. What do y'all prefer? This or this? Yo, I'm not gonna lie. That's looking pretty good. think? Yeah, I like that. I think that looks really good. It makes it look more aggressive now in the front. I think it adds that extra little touch that it was missing. To be honest, at first I didn't want those, but honestly, I'm extremely happy with how that looks. Let me know what you guys think down below in the comments. Bro, I'm telling you, it's just the little things. And I love how it pokes out and it just makes it look so much more aggressive. Stay tuned, man. We got more on the way.